Welcome to Old World Village, a hidden European gem right here in Huntington Beach. Just 10 minutes from the surf, this village transports you straight to Bavaria.
It all started back in 1978, thanks to German developer Joseph Bischoff. Missing his homeland, Joseph purchased what used to be a local California tomato field.
He modeled this village after Oberammergau, a storybook town in the German Alps. Bischoff built a unique live work community with 50 shops and 50 homes right above them.
Take a look at these cobblestone pathways, red-tiled roofs, and imported lanterns. The walls showcase 70 hand-painted murals depicting 18 historic European cities. With plenty of open-air seating, it's the perfect spot to gather with family and friends.
As you wander through, you'll find a beautiful chapel, a garden gazebo, and local studios.
Walking through the village feels like a trip to the past, even with modern buildings peeking in from the outside. But one of the biggest highlights here is definitely the incredible food and drink. The Old World German Bakery fills the air with the smell of fresh rolls and pastries.
The Old World Church is a deeply significant part of the village's history. When founders Joseph and Dolores Bischoff designed the village to replicate Oberammergau, Germany, they knew a traditional Bavarian community wouldn't be complete without a central village chapel. Here's the view looking out from the chapel balcony.
Hidden along the cobblestone pathways sits an iconic piece of British history. This bright red vintage telephone box stands out against the Bavarian architecture. Just down the cobblestone path sits a beloved local landmark known as Pamela's Tea Room, which brought a delightful taste of traditional British culture to the village for over 30 years.
Let's keep walking around and admire the beauty of this place. This beautiful building perfectly showcases the village's classic Alpine look. It features traditional German architecture with timber-accented balconies and terracotta roofs. Tucked between the shops is a charming, storybook garden courtyard. The centerpiece is a traditional stone water well complete with a hanging wooden bucket. Lush green plants and climbing vines wrap around the rustic wooden archways.
Let's stroll a bit more and take in the beauty of this village.
After exploring, we stopped for a bite at Woody's Diner. This local favorite is known for classic, hearty comfort food. Everything tasted incredible, and our server was so friendly and welcoming. It was the perfect way to wrap up an amazing day of exploring.